John Snow, the father of epidemiology. He earned this title through his relentless efforts in determining the cause of cholera and attempting to prove his new at the time germ theory. A theory the illness was not brought on by poisonous gases, rather through germs transmitted from one person to another. John Snow used several subtypes of epidemiology in his work. He was a descriptive epidemiologist, observing and surveying the cholera outbreaks with regards to whom was getting the disease, when, and where. He was a clinical epidemiologist, recording the signs and symptoms of patients who suffered from the cholera disease. He was a field epidemiologist, traveling to residences to test the water supply. And he was an analytical epidemiologist, by statistically analyzing and mapping the data he obtained through his descriptive work. This analysis was critical to substantiate his cause and effect hypothesis, which served as the primary motivator for health officials to investigate and focus on the water supply as the cause of the cholera outbreaks. Unfortunately, John Snow died a few years later of a stroke, well before his germ theory was proven to be true in the 1860s experiments conducted by Robert Koch.